Beryl, Beryl, Beryl is my school, best education reservoir for young learners just like me. Beryl,
Salut mes élèves à la maison. Bonjour, je m'appelle Madame Esther et j'espère que vous allez très bien. D'accord? Aujourd'hui, nous allons continuer d'où nous nous sommes arrêtés la dernière semaine. Okay, good day, my very nice pupils at home. I hope you have been staying safe. I am Mrs. Esther. And today we are going to continue from where we stopped last week. You remember last week we talked about how to place people and things in a place. Situé dans l'espace. So on the board we have situé dans l'espace. Situé dans l'espace. Situé dans l'espace. That's how to place people or locate people in a place. And we also looked at some things, like some words and positions last week. We looked at Sue and Sue. This is Sue, this is Sue. This is Sue, this is Sue. This is on and under. This is on, this is under. So we also looked at devant, we looked at derrière, we looked at entre. That's between. We looked at them, we looked at près de, and we also got the meanings. À côté de, we had en face de, à droite de, à gauche de. And we also said from do, anyone that has do and a, we have how to put them. We looked at à côté de plus la. For example, all these articles, la, lo, and l apostrophe, you have à côté de plus la. Gives us à côté de la. Like I tried to bring out, remind us about article contracts that we did before now. It's something like that, close to it. À côté de la, that is when you have do and la for à côté de. And you have after do, you have la. It gives us à côté de la. Example, j'habite à côté de la banque, when the noun is a feminine noun. J'habite à côté de la banque. I know la here is feminine. So next example is à côté de plus l'eau. À côté de plus l'eau. So this gives us à côté de. I take that again. À côté de plus. This plus is plus. Plus l'eau gives us à côté de. Remember, for article contract, the a and lo gives us o. So for a and do and lo gives us do. That's what I mean. Example, j'habite à côté du marché. So this is when the noun is masculine. You can see lo there indicate. Alright. We also have l apostrophe. And you have do plus l apostrophe. À côté du, do plus l apostrophe. À côté de plus l apostrophe. À côté de l apostrophe. That is what it will give us. Example, j'habite à côté de l'hôpital. You see, l'hôpital here is l apostrophe. That H is silent. J'habite à côté de l'hôpital. Okay, having looked at what's on the board, we are going to be looking at how to place these things, picture of where these things are located and how to say they are here and they are there. So you can see Sue, the direction of the arrow, that means it's on. Sue, Sue, Sue. This is Sue. Sue, this is Sue. This is Sue. This is under. This is à côté de, like I say, is beside. Then we have derrière. This boy is behind him. Derrière. You see devant. Devant. You have en face. En face. En face, in front of. You have entre. You see the position in the middle between this girl and this boy. That's entre. You have au milieu de in bracket. That means if you don't want to say in between, you say in the middle of. Au milieu de. Okay. We also have here À droite do. À droite do. That's also à côté do. Beside this, the side of this one is right and this is left. So à côté do, this other side is à gauche do because it's on the left. And here we have still au milieu do. So in the words in bracket, they're telling you that if you don't want to say entrée, you can say au milieu do. You want to say à droite do, looking at the position, you say à côté do. It's also beside, but this side is the right side, right? And this is à gauche do. À gauche is left, à droite is right. Okay, let's now look at another way of situating or locating things and people. Okay, let's locate them in this classroom. Okay, bonjour monsieur, that's the man, the teacher has come inside. Bonjour la classe, and he said, and they answer bonjour monsieur. And then you see that he asked comment allez-vous, and they said nous allons bien, and they said merci, just like we always do. And then we have here the name of one of the pupils, and he asks, that is the name Sidion, and he asks, où est le stylo? Où est le stylo? That means, where is the pen? And you can see the name of the pupil standing up and answering the question. Say, le stylo est sur la table. And that is the table, that's the pen on it. Le stylo est sur la table. So you'll be saying that also, practice it, practice how to say all this. I will take that again after now. So we have here, le cahier est sur la table. You know, sous is under and cahier is book. Cahier is notebook, so it can be under the table because here is est sur la table. And the teacher says, très bien, tu es très intelligent. Okay, let me take that again and you say that after me. Bonjour classe. Bonjour monsieur. Comment allez-vous? Nous allons bien, merci. Sidan, où est le stylo? Sidan, où est le stylo? Le stylo est sur la table. Où est le cahier? Le cahier est sur la table. This is sur, and this is sur. And you say très bien, tu es très intelligent. So here we're going to look at yet another short dialogue between two friends, Sidion and another of the classmates. Sidion, tu habites près de l'hôpital. You see what I just talked about before we started today's class. Sidion, tu habites près de l'hôpital. And she says, non, j'habite à côté de l'église. So you see that this L apostrophe, according to this l'église and l'hôpital, comes when it is a vowel, when the noun starts with a vowel or a H and the H is silent. So that's when you have L apostrophe. Non, non, j'habite à côté de l'église catholique. Et toi, où habites-tu? As I live, à côté de is what? That's the answer I will need you to give me in today's devoir. Okay, let's continue. Moi, j'habite en face de la banque centrale. Alors, je t'invite ce soir. D'accord. So, having looked at all this is going to be our devoir for today. We are going to interpret this. You have 1, you have 2, you have 3, you have 4, 5. I want to see all this in English because most especially we want to look at this à côté de l'église, à côté de, and also what does à côté de en face de what, everything they are talking about. I want to see it written in English for me. That's the devoir for today's lesson. Okay. So this brings us to the end of today's lesson. So I have to say goodbye and see you soon.